le tatou whawhiawhia whapitole nei aso tangata tāua I le musika o le ali le nei o Mr. Cody Bell o le whawhiawhia ma Christine Papalii.
We have a special guest today. Please welcome Mr. Cody Bell singing I On The Sparrow with Christine Papalii Seu.
Should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home? Jesus is my portion, a constant friend is He. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches over me. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches over me. I see because I'm happy. I see because I'm free. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. And I know He watches over me. I see because I'm happy. I see because I'm free. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches over me. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. Oh, He watches. He watches me. Christine everybody. Woo!